And we have confirmation that the payload retention latch assemblies have all been released. First step will be, now that it is free of Endeavour's payload bay, to raise the AMS up to a low hover position just above the payload bay. Once that is established, after a couple of minutes, the crew will be given a go to proceed on with maneuvering it over the side of Endeavour's payload bay up toward the International Space Station for a handoff to the station's robotic arm. The shuttle's robotic arm now has the brakes on. It's in the position now for the handoff. Next up will be for the station robotic arm. It is being operated by Greg Shamatoff and Greg Johnson in the at the robotic workstation inside the space station, in particular in the cupola module, repositioning the camera views to get a good look at the AMS as the station's robotic arm gets ready to maneuver over to the AMS and capture the other grapple fixture. Inside is a dedicated robotics workstation with its own screens, allowing the crew members to see the same view that you're seeing here, so that they can align properly before moving in for grapple. And in fact, the go has been given. The arm is now in the process of being maneuvered in for the grapple. And a good capture is confirmed. The station robotic arm now is locked onto the grapple pin of the alpha magnetic spectrometer, occurring as Endeavour and the International Space Station track to the southwest of the Canary Islands. The AMS is being positioned to its final location about 1 foot away. And we do now have confirmation of completed capture of the alpha magnetic spectrometer. It's made its way to its final home on the International Space Station. The confirmation coming at 4:46 a.m. Central Time.